Hello Outreachers. Welcome back to LinkedFusion Academy. We will cover more details on LinkedFusion prospecting form. Now let's talk about a modern sales engagement platform. LinkedFusion prospecting form. LinkedFusion is a cloud-based LinkedIn outreach platform that has various features like auto prospecting, auto follow-up sequences, LinkedIn inbox management, a mini CRM to manage all your leads, and some featured built-in integrations that directs the data to the connected platforms. The prospecting form, created by LinkedFusion, is a search form for LinkedIn keywords, where you can perform your LinkedIn search and export the leads based on your keywords and filters. Once these leads are exported, you can upload them to LinkedFusion auto outreach sequences, and LinkedFusion will automatically invite and send messages to your prospects. Here is on-screen presentation about how LinkedFusion prospecting form works. So, welcome to LinkedFusion. Log in on the LinkedFusion prospector form as URL shown on the screen. With this LinkedFusion prospector feature, you can reach the target audience with many filters and conditions. You can include or exclude the keywords such as title, location, or industries. Let's take an example with title as CEO or founder. Location as United States or Canada, and industry is information technology and services. I'll even exclude titles such as manager, VP, or vice president. I won't add any filters to exclude locations and industry for the sake of the demo. Now, once you submit the prospector form, a CSV file will be downloaded with a list of LinkedIn profiles relevant to the filters that we applied in the prospector's form. Now let's go to LinkedFusion and create a new sequence. We will be sending connection invites and follow-up messages to the list of prospects from the CSV file that we downloaded earlier. Now, to create a new sequence, you need to click on Create New on the top right, and select second degree there. This will create a new outreach sequence. Let's title this sequence as New USA and Canada IT Outreach. As I have already created US working hours, I will be directly selecting this as the sequence's working hours as Monday to Friday 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. as the Asian time zone is preset. Now, LinkedFusion has 4 ways to define a target audience. In our case, we have our prospects in out CSV file, so we need to select CSV upload to define our target audience. Once the CSV is uploaded, the next step is add messages to your sequence. So, let's start by setting up a connection message. Click on Set Connection Message and that will open up a prompt to write your message. You can also select a predefined message template over here. But for now I will type a message to hi and first name, and let's say, I visited your profile and found we work in the same industry. And then let's ask them if they would be open to connect. And let's end it with a little signature darshan. Similarly, let's set up a follow-up message as well. Here, let's say hi and then the first name tag. And let's say thanks for connecting. I'll change the delay in between to 10 minutes, this would send a follow-up message. Waiting after 10 minutes. Once a prospect accepts our invite. And let's set the withdrawal request delay to 7 days. This will with a pending invitation automatically after 7 days if a prospect doesn't accept the invite. And finally let's hit Save button. And finally click on Start to start the sequence, and let's keep per day limit to 50.